Hello. For most, a fine Monday out there with plenty of September sunshine. There are, as always, one or two exceptions. Much of eastern England not seeing a lot of sunshine, staying fairly cloudy and clouding over in the northwest of Scotland as well, with actually some outbreaks of rain here too. The reason? Well, a couple of weather fronts, one approaching the northwest, and this one brought some very heavy downpours during Sundays, still lingering across parts of Lincolnshire, East Anglia and the far southeast, so staying fairly cloudy in this zone, and there will at times be a little bit of rain and drizzle, and that rain just at times creeping in from the weather fronts across the highlands of Scotland also, perhaps staying a bit damp through Northern Ireland and certainly clouding over here. But for much of southern Scotland, most of northern England, Wales, the Midlands and southern England, it's a fine day out there, and the wind's pretty light, feels pretty warm. Temperatures getting into the low 20s, 21 or 22 is possible. Obviously a little cooler with that cloudier zone across eastern England and the cloudier and increasingly windy conditions across the northwest. Still some showery rain across East Anglia and the southeast through this evening, but it should fizzle out before midnight. A rain band trickling southwards, but really fizzling also as it spreads southwards, so just really a band of cloud getting into northern England and North Wales by dawn. Behind that, we could see some thick fog patches, and further south as well, we could see a little bit of mist and fog forming through the early hours. Temperatures will fall away where the clouds remain away. Temperatures dropping down to single figures, even in some urban areas. So a little bit fresh on Tuesday morning. There will, as I say, be some fog patches around as well. And it could be quite thick, could take a few hours to clear away. A cloudier start across the Midlands, northern England, so that cloud should melt away. Again, there'll be some showery rain, perhaps in the afternoon across the Highlands and the Western Isles, where it will be turning increasingly windy. Elsewhere, the wind's pretty light, and with hazy sunshine, it'll feel pleasantly warm again with temperatures in the high teens or the low 20s. But the wind's really picking up through Tuesday evening in the northwest. There's another weather front approaching, and as that sinks southwards, the winds will really get going. Could easily see gales across the northwestern corner through Tuesday evening, gusts of 50, perhaps even 60 miles an hour in exposed places overnight into Wednesday. Elsewhere, the wind's fairly light, and again in the south, it could be some mist and fog as we head into Wednesday. Weather fronts across the far northwest, a sign of things turning much more unsettled through the rest of this week. Some strong winds across the north with rain at times, whereas in the south, although the winds will be picking up, it'll mostly stay fine. We'll have a full week ahead forecast for you if you follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channels. That'll be ready by Monday afternoon.